this video, I test an AI e-commerce website builder to see if it can create a $10,000 online store in just 15 minutes with no website developer needed. You'll see how fast AI can generate a premium e-commerce site, how AI agents building your website compared to hiring a web designer, such as the speed. You can do this in literally 15 minutes, give or take a few minutes. You're going to save a lot of money, and simplicity. If those are all at the top of your list, AI agents like DeepAgent. This is the tool I'm using. It's called DeepAgent. This is a California-based company in the United States in Silicon Valley. So, good company. And it's an AI agent that can build you apps, websites, you name it. It can build it for you. And I'll take you through more of that at the end here. But it can give you your dream website. And in this example, I'm doing an e-commerce website in mere minutes, and it's only going to cost you a few bucks as opposed to thousands of dollars hiring a web designer to do it yourself, or a lot of time and energy doing it like yourself. You have the know-how to actually do it. It's going to take you a long time to do this yourself. So with that being said, let's dive into this video. I'm going to show you the prompt I use right here. I'm going to go over it real quick. I'm not going to go over it word for word. I'm just going to give you a basic idea of how I did this. I used ChatGPT to create the prompt, and I pasted it here, and it created this website, which you're going to see right here. How professional this is. This is the website that was created with DeepAgent. Links below. You can try it out for yourself. Link's going to be directly below in the video description box. If you like what you see here, feel free to check this out for yourself. You have a home button here. That's what you're on right now. Shop, collections, bestsellers, reviews, blog, contact, shop now, and all the good stuff. This is a fully fledged e-commerce site. There's literally built in minutes using AI. This is how good AI has gotten. It's ridiculously good, and it builds you websites literally in minutes if you know what you're doing. Curated collections, and I'm just going to show you how it looks. And these are obviously placeholders of samples of what the site could look like, what our clients say, and then obviously put that in with real client reviews, or switch everything out with your particular, whatever your site is. And I'm going to show you how to do that too at the end. A vision of timeless elegance. You can see a nice, what's like a wedding dress, evening gown right here. 15 years experience, 50 plus design awards. Got a nice contact at the bottom. Stay updated, email, checkout, shipping. It's got all this has got to be changed, but Luxura, the year. Look, it's got 2024. Just easy to put that at 2025. Luxura, boutique, all rights reserved. Quick links, shop, collections, bestsellers, contact. It's got a, look at right here. It's got a nice graphic right here for the site. You got the shop button we can go into right now. And it's got different things for sale. Shop by collection. It's got different categories. You got collections here. Best sellers. These are the best sellers here. And it's even got the satisfaction rate. It's got everything you need. You got reviews here. Blog. It's even got featured articles starting out, obviously. How cool is that? Contact. It's got everything's done for you. How much time and energy and money is this going to save you? A lot. So this is the phone number. You put in obviously your phone number, your email. These are all placeholders. Quick answer, shipping, returns, payment, interactive map. You can put one in here. A message, send us a message with a full name, email address. The form's there, ready to go. You got a search button. Not sure what this is. That's a cart button right there. Shop now button. And it's got all the different products for Shop Now. So you're golden. Now we're going to go back to the home screen here. Now I showed you this whole site. And this was literally built. It's a beautiful site. Beautiful e-commerce site. that was built literally in 15 minutes using DeepAgent, which I'm going to go over here in a second. The first thing I did to build this site. Now, if you go to let me stop right here real quick. If you go over to like Fiverr or you hire somebody to build a website for you, like as in depth as this one is, it's going to cost you thousands of dollars. I can guarantee you that. It depends on how in depth you want to get with it, but it doesn't cost you anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000 to build a site similar to this, because of all the time it takes, to do this and do it right. But with AI agents like DeepAgent, like I said, you can literally do this in 15 minutes. So this is what I'm going to show you right now. This is the prompt I got right here. It says, I'm on DeepAgent here. As you can see, this is the site here. Link will be directly below. Feel free to use it and check this out. This is a prompt, Luxura Boutique Online Store. The goal is to generate a 5-star boutique e-commerce website for a high-end online store, luxury apparel and lifestyle. Must look premium, load fast, and be built for conversions on mobile and desktop. After generation, provide an in-app preview and allow one-click deploy to a live public URL for demo. That's what you just seen. Output should be editable in the builder and exportable as clean HTML, CSS. Brand, and it tells you the different colors and everything. And I'm not going to get all into this. You can kind of read along on the screen here. And it's a pretty in-depth prompt, but nothing too crazy. And what I did is I built this prompt using ChatGPT. You just go over to ChatGPT. And this is going to be your demo here. And all you do is right in the box here, you're going to say for this particular thing, I want to build a luxury e-commerce website. Has to have 8 pages. Name the pages, and then it's going to start building you a prompt, and then ask ChatGPT, how do I make this better? What did I forget here? Did I forget the pages I need to add? Did I forget the contact information? And it's going to give you suggestions. Then add that to the prompt, and then you keep doing that until you get a good sized prompt like what mine is. And it's covering all your bases of exactly what you want in a website. You take that prompt, you copy it, and then you're going to go on over, obviously, to DeepAgent or whatever AI you're using. You're going to paste that in there, and like I did here, and it's going to start building. Let me do this real quick. I want to show you how this works. It's already built. You've seen the site and everything, so we're good on that. But I'm going to start it all over again and see if it will generate again. I can show you how this works real quick, how it generates the site live before your eyes. It also asks you questions. I put the prompt in. We're golden. It says, before I create your luxury boutique website, I need to clarify a few details. And it asks you 4 questions. Copy and paste this into ChatGPT and just tell ChatGPT to answer them for you. Copy the answers, come back here, paste them in here, you're good to go. Just double check it, make sure it's right, and you're good to go. We're going to paste that prompt in here, hit go. I just want to show you this in action real quick, and I'm going to stop it. This is DeepAgent thinking. It's going to ask me those questions again. I'm assuming. I've already answered them, but it'll probably ask me again because we're starting over again. So it's on the planning phase. It takes a minute, and then it's going to ask you a couple questions. And then it'll start building the site. But we're going to come back here because I don't want to have you guys sit here wait for this to work. It gets kind of boring. I'm going to show you how to make this live. Now you've seen the website. It's live. You want to take this website from here. Now you got code here. You got files here you can use. You can copy the code, paste it over on WordPress, which is going to be right here. And you can also tell it here. Now give me the code, full code for this website. Give me the full HTML code for this whole website so I can paste it on WordPress and get a live site. Now it's thinking. Now what it's going to do, it's going to right in this box. It shouldn't be over here. It should be right here. It's going to give you a bunch of code. All you're going to do is copy the whole code, and it's doing it right here. So all you're going to do is copy the code. When it's done, it'll say done. It'll give it to you, and then you paste it over on WordPress, and you're good to go. We're going to go back here. So this is actually building it right now. It didn't ask me the questions this time, so we're good to go. See, it says thinking, searching the web, and then it's going to go over to, here we go. Brought it over to here. And it's going to tell you all on the side what it's doing. And you'll be able to see it right here, exactly how this is working, how it's building out your website, what it's doing. It's interesting to see what it's actually doing. It's searching the internet, getting all the data it needs to put together your perfect e-commerce site. I'm going to stop this. I don't want to use all my credits because these are expensive to do big websites like this. Not expensive. It costs you probably about $5, but it's not. It's going to literally cost you $5 to build you what I just showed you. That's somebody else that does it. Actual web designer is going to charge you thousands for. But you have to take this and edit it for your business, obviously. But if you put in your business details as much as you can, you know what you're building exactly, and you put in your exact business details, you might get it perfect outside the box where you don't have to do much editing, and you're pretty much good to go. So this is just a placeholder, an imaginary website I did for this video, and kind of a cool popular niche, which is right here. What I already went over and showed you guys. But if you put your details and you know what you're building exactly, you're not going to have to do much editing at all. You're going to be good to go. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to get this live a little bit more on whatever site you got. If you got a WordPress installation, if you're using Shopify, and if you want to sign up for Shopify, there's a $1 trial. That's going to be in the link below. Use it. It's $1 to get started on it. It's good for online stores. So I'll have a link down there for that as well. But we got WordPress, Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, or Webflow. Connect your domain name, and then there's a recap here. For WordPress, you're going to export your site from DeepAgent, download the folder, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to your hosting file manager, or use a plugin to upload the files. Real easy. Hit publish. Your site is live. Shopify, best for online stores. Like I said, sign up for the $1 trial directly below. In your dashboard, go to online store, themes, upload your site files, or rebuild the design using Shopify's drag and drop editor. You're going to want to upload your site files, which I showed you over here. There's the files are all right here. It's going to give you all the different files for that you need. And if you have any questions, you can always ask the AI, how do I do this? And it's going to tell you. Ask ChatGPT. It'll tell you step by step how to do that. And then we can go back over. Let's hitting the wrong button here. Here we go. Where are we at here? So Shopify, add your product, set up checkout, and publish. Boom, you've got a working e-commerce store. And now we got Wix, Squarespace, or Webflow. These builders all let you use custom code or drag and drop blocks. Export your site from DeepAgent, copy and paste the content, and design it into the builder. Hit publish, your site is live. And obviously, if you don't have a domain name, you're going to want to get one of those. Buy a domain from like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or anywhere. And copy the DNS settings for your builder. Your builder gives you. Paste them into your domain settings. Now your AI site is live at your own domain. Simple recap. Export from DeepAgent. Upload to WordPress, Shopify, or other. Connect your domain. Publish. That's it. In just a few steps, your AI-built site goes from demo to a real website the world can visit. Now what we're going to do now is how to edit your AI website. Editing on WordPress. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Pages or Posts to edit text and images. Use the block editor to swap headlines, add buttons, or drop in new photos. If you uploaded raw code from DeepAgent, open your theme editor or use a plugin like Insert HTML to paste changes. Hit update and your changes go live right away. Editing on Shopify. Log into your Shopify account. Go to online stores, themes, customize. Click on the section you want to change. Header, hero image, products, footer. Replace text, upload your own product photos, or change colors with a simple sidebar menu. Save, then hit publish. Updates are live instantly. Editing on Wix, Squarespace, or Webflow. Open the Builder dashboard. Click on the page you want to edit. Drag and drop text, images, or buttons wherever you want them. Most builders let you preview changes before saving. Hit publish once you're happy. Common things you'll want to edit. Logo and branding. Swap the placeholder logo for your own. Text. Rewrite headlines, product names, and descriptions to fit your business. Colors and fonts. Change to your brand style if you want. Products. Replace sample products with your real items, prices, and images. CTAs or calls to action. Change buttons like Shop Now or Contact Us to your exact needs. Quick recap. DeepAgent builds the site. Your builder, which could be WordPress, Shopify, Wix, etc., is where you edit the words, images, products, and design. It's just click, change, save, publish. That's how you keep your AI website fresh and make it truly yours. And that's pretty much it for this video. Real easy to do. These AI tools are just getting better and better, and they're ridiculously good. And we're going to go back over here. One thing I want to end the video on, if you've been watching this far, I thank you. Hope this was I gave some value. Shoot me a comment if you did like this video, if it was valuable, what I could fix, how I can make it better, or if you got a question for me. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as I get them. So what we're going to do right now is go over, and I wanted to add, I'm giving away 20 free tools before I forget. 20 free AI tools, and I'll show you that in a second here. It's going to be on instantsalesfunnels.com, and I'm going to show you that after we go back here. This is the site we built, and this is DeepAgent. We're going to go back to the beginning here. We're going to close this one out because you already seen everything you need to see. And these are some of the things you can build. Let me see if I can get to the beginning of this. Okay, this is DeepAgent. What do you want to do? Create apps, short videos, AI apps, MCP and workflows, deep research, PowerPoint, browser use, data analysis. And these are all the other things, like examples of stuff you can create that they have on the platform. You could build pretty much anything. It is powerful, very powerful. And you see how good the websites it builds come out. It's ridiculously good. Yeah, and that's it. And it's got all the different models you can use. Let's see here. You got GPT-5, GPT-5 Thinking, Claude, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Grok 4. As you can see, it's got every single AI model basically that you can use. I've built funnel bots or agents for my website, instantsalesfunnels.com, which I'm going to take you to right now before this video ends. So bear with me. I want to show you this real quick. This is my site. And this is an agent I built. You can talk to it, and it's going to talk back to you. I built that with DeepAgent as well. And this is my AI Toolkit Vault. You're going to get, link's going to be directly below. You're going to get 20 elite AI tools plus my proven prompt vault to transform how you build, scale, and sell online free. Build emails, funnels, blog posts, landing pages, videos, lead magnets, and more in seconds, not hours. And these are all the tools you're going to get. Look at the screen right here. Worth hundreds. They took me a long time to put together and build. They're all yours, absolutely free. Just let me know where to send them. The link's going to be directly below for the 20 free AI marketing tools. I also have a video that explains it more, but trust me, these are very useful, and you can use them for anything in your everyday marketing for your business. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you have any questions, shoot me a comment in the comment section below. If you like this video, like it. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.